Hello guys, so this is my peanut butter parcel which I ordered from Meesho, and here it is, unboxing of peanut butter. There were two in this box. Look at this, the consistency, the Nutberry pick it up protein peanut butters. There were two boxes in it, the one, and this was the other one. It's look delicious and it's really amazing. Tried it, and in this we get heart friendly, crunchy, as well as enriched with fiber. And we have two flavors in this, peanut butter as well as almond butter. Nutberry as well as the fitness was really amazing. There were high protein, healthy fats, rich in fiber, low in carbs, and energy booster, zero cholesterol. Ingredients were there in this was roasted peanuts, sugar, hydrogenated vegetable oil, soya consistence oils, etc. और ये मुझे पड़ा I think something 180 like this.